Okay, so just got back from VW because finally my bumper came in. So that's it, we're going to go and get this in the kitchen and start putting it together because it's cold out here. So it's a genuine T6 bumper from VW, OEM part, and they've pre-painted it before picking it up, so it's all painted, ready to go. We've also got the fitting kit, that's a separate part, that's what's in this box. So the first step's going to be to put these fog light surrounds in from the front and find the locating screws in the back. So now it's time to put the bottom splitted part on. It's a bit of a fiddle, but it will go on, and it just sort of locates with these couple of tabs, and once it's on, it's really on there. So this piece I'm unwrapping now is it's a non-genuine part from Vansytle. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's just a cheap splitter that you stick on the bottom of this T6 Sportline splitter. It's a good time to put it on if you're doing this because while it's all off the car, easy access. Here come my little helpers.
Just last week you called me, the way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello. Just last week you called me, the way you're talking is driving me.
Okay, so that's all the bumpers all buttoned up and ready to go. It's gone dark outside, dark and cold, so we'll pick this up tomorrow. See you then. Okay, so it's the next day out here. Really windy, cold, all the above. So we're gonna get started on fitting the bumper on. Alright, so now the bumper's on, we're going to mark up all the holes, take the bumper back off, and then we can drill all for the bolt holes and everything else, and refit it and bolt it all down. Okay, that's all the holes final drilled. It's now time to bring the bumper back in and get it final installed onto the van. got to do is wait. Boom!